Hello everyone. Beta, today we will do adjectives. What we will do? Adjectives. We say adjectives in Hindi विशेषण. We have already done adjectives in Hindi. Okay? We have already done विशेषण. विशेषण means किसी भी वस्तु, स्थान, किसी भी चीज की विशेषता बताना. Like in adjective, if we are talking about qualities, ठीक है, qualities of noun, that is adjectives. We can say adjectives as describing words. Describing means किसी भी चीज को describe करना, उसके बारे में बताना. Okay, like he is an intelligent boy. ठीक है, he is an intelligent boy. कैसा boy है वो? Intelligent. So intelligent is our adjective. We are talking about quality of a boy. Look, this is a noun. Boy is a noun. We are talking about quality of boy. कि boy is an intelligent. क्या है? Intelligent है. So intelligent is our adjective. We are describing how the boy is. Fine. अब look, बेटा विशेषण में मैम ने आपको बताया था कि विशेषण में होता है कैसा या कितना. Like in adjective, both are the same thing. How much or how. ठीक है. How many markers I have? I have 2 markers. So how many markers I have? 2. कितने markers हैं मैम के पास? I have 2 markers. So 2 is adjectives. Beta, I am telling you only in brief that we will do in term 3 book. In this term 2 book, we will compare. We will compare the adjectives. That's why I am clearing you. I am telling you what are the adjectives. कि adjectives होते क्या हैं. ठीक है? Now today we will do if I have. Look. This is one pencil. Okay. And this is second pencil. Fine. 2 pencils. If I want to compare it, how I will say this is small. यही होता है ना? This is small pencil. बेटा, if we have 2 things, अगर हमारे पास 2 चीजें हैं, and we are comparing, तो how we will compare? We will say this pencil is smaller than this pencil. Fine. We will say this pencil is smaller than this pencil. आपको समझ रही? 2 things given है, हम compare कर रहे हैं. We are comparing. Which one is smaller? This is smaller. हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे which one is small. We will not say which one is small. We बोलेंगे which one is smaller than another one. Okay? Yes. This is bigger. Now, what you will do when we are comparing the adjectives, how we will do? If there are 3 rules. Fine. This is small. Small is an adjective. Small is an adjective. वह छोटा है. His height is small. ठीक है? तो this is adjective. If we are comparing it, अगर हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि इसका comparison बताओ, how we will do? Look, if the last word is consonant, you know about the consonant? If the last word is consonant, we will add ER. SMALL. The spelling will be same. We will write ER. Like next one is thick. THICK. देखो consonant है. This is consonant. So we will write ER. THICK ER. Both are consonant. And another rule is if thin. Last word is consonant, but the word before consonant is vowel. ठीक है? THIN. Last word is consonant, but the word before consonant is vowel. So what we will write? We will write the same spelling thin, and we will write this word again, and then write ER. Okay? THINNER. जो लास्ट वर्ड होगा बेटा दैट विल बी डबल. ओके, थिनर. मैम इज टेकिंग वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, बिग, BIG, बिग. ठीक है, लास्ट वर्ड इज कॉन्सोनेंट, बट द कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ क्या आया है, वोवल. ओके, तो अगेन वी विल राइट द सेम स्पेलिंग, बिग, वोवल था, वी विल राइट G अगेन, ER, bigger. Okay, now one more rule is that like HEALTHY, healthy. लास्ट में आया है Y. आपको पता है मैम IED भी करा चुकी हैं, अब लास्ट में आया है Y. We will cut this HEALTH. Y को कट करके IER, healthier. Okay, how we will write? We will cut HEALTHY. We will cut Y from this spelling and we will write IER. One more example of this Y. Happy, HAPPY. We will again cut this Y. We will write HAPPIER. Today we have learned 3 rules. Okay, if the last 2 word is consonant, we will write the same spelling and write ER after that. If next rule is, if last word is consonant but the word comes before consonant is vowel. अगर consonant से पहले vowel आ रहा है तो we will repeat that consonant. We will double that consonant. Then same spelling, NER. Big, vowel है, BIG, big, GER. Is it clear? Today we will do page number 155, comparison of adjectives. Page 155. Thick. Thick is given and we have to compare it. THICK. Same spelling, consonant है, ER. Thicker. Next, old. Same, both are consonant. We will write same spelling and ER after that. Thin. Look at here. Vowel comes with consonant last word. Then we will double it. Thin liquor, NER. We will repeat this word. Thinner. Same, big. Same vowel, BIGGER. Bigger. Happy, HAPPY. We will cut Y and we will write HAPPIER. Next word is angry. Again the same word, we will cut Y, ANGRIER. These are comparison of adjectives. And now in second question you have to compare the compare the adjectives, and what you will do, you will circle which one is suitable. You will read the sentence and do which one comes, and you will circle this. Okay beta? Yes. Okay, question number 3 we will discuss in next video. Okay beta, thank you.